In this video, you're going to discover a high-ticket affiliate marketing strategy. These are the fast, easy steps to make $1,000 or more per commission on total autopilot. That's right. If you're someone that loves money coming in, even while you're sleeping, you're going to want to pay close attention. Now, what I'm going to share with you is the one automated funnel strategy that works 24/7 to generate $1,000 or more per commissions. If you're someone that doesn't want to just make these itsy bitsy tiny little commissions and you want to make some big commissions even while you're sleeping, you're going to want to pay close attention. I'm going to share with you how to set up this funnel one time and let it run on complete autopilot. So all you have to do is focus on getting visitors or traffic to click a link, and everything else is going to be working for you. And I'm even going to share with you how to start getting traffic predictably and easily. And I'm going to share with you the secret to scaling high ticket commissions without constant effort. So if you're someone that doesn't like grinding, if you're someone that likes more passive income, you're going to want to watch this entire video. Now, real quick, I want to share with you another result so you can see that I do know what I'm talking about. You can see right here that this is, Berry Lifestyle Marketing, my LLC, my business, and this was the date at the time of recording. This was yesterday. Okay, you can see right here, October 9th, and you can see that net sales $900. Now again, be sure you stay into the very end of the video because you're going to discover exactly how to generate high ticket commissions even while you sleep with no ongoing work required and much, much more. So stay tuned because you do not want to miss this. Okay, so I'm on a whiteboard right here, and the first thing I want to do is I want to break down this profit pulling affiliate funnel. I want you to understand step by step why this funnel works. Now, this is the exact funnel that I've been using for close to 10 years full-time online. Now, this may actually to some people seem simple. If you're a somewhat experienced marketer, there's only really 2 pages here, but I tell you, this works incredibly well because it doesn't give your prospects, it doesn't give the people that you're marketing to a lot of choices, right? The confused mind is the inactive mind. It's the mind that won't take action. We want to make it very simple for the people we market to. Now, here's how it works, okay? So what you want to do is when you have a funnel, now a funnel is just a sales process, and this is going to allow us to automate our income, okay? So this is going to be working through automations even while we're sleeping. Now, we want to have a capture page, okay? This right here is a page that's designed to capture our prospect's email address. Now, you've probably seen websites online that you've gone to, and it has, like a headline, something like, free video or free PDF, right? And then it has a box like this where you can put in your email address, okay? Now, again, this is called a capture page because we're capturing our prospect's email address. Now, the reason you want to do this, okay, the reason you want to capture your prospect's email address and then send them to the sales page or your affiliate link is because most people will not buy right away. One of the biggest mistakes people make when they want to actually make money with affiliate marketing is they send people directly to the sales page, okay? Now, maybe 1 out of 100 people are going to go to this page, go to your affiliate link, pull out a credit card and decide to buy right away. Most people, they need multiple exposures. They need to see the product multiple times, okay? Do their own research, especially for high ticket affiliate marketing. If the price tag is $1,000 or more, chances are this isn't going to be like an impulse buy, okay? They're going to need to research, talk to their spouse. So again, what we want to do is we want to actually capture people's information, okay? Minimum their email address, then we redirect them to the sales page. Now, if someone buys, okay, and it can happen, like I said, maybe about 1 out of 100 people, they see the sales page, they're ready, they're maybe desperate to solve that problem of our affiliate offer, and they decide to buy right away, and we are able to make commissions based on however that much, that affiliate product pays us, okay? Now, for the people that don't decide to buy right away, here's how we're going to actually be able to make money even while we're sleeping and ensure we don't leave thousands of dollars on the table. Forgive this interruption, but I wanted to share I have a free A to Z affiliate marketing blueprint to take you from where you are to where you want to go as fast and as easy as possible. Just go to the link directly below and get access to that free blueprint while it's still available. without further ado, let's continue with the training. So what happens is when someone puts their email address in, not only, again, do they instantly get redirected to the sales page, but they also get added to something called our email list. Now, we can leverage a tool called an email autoresponder service. Now, this service can hook up to our funnel, okay, and to the capture page, and we can have it set up where when someone puts their email address in to get that free thing, whatever you're giving away, whether it's a free video, a free guide, a free PDF, a free tool, it does not matter. When they put their email in and submit it, it automatically gets added into a list of email addresses, okay? All the people that put their email in, it's one long list, your email list, and that gets added and organized into something called an email autoresponder, okay? So like I'm not manually keeping track. When someone goes to the link under my videos to get access to more information on how to master high ticket affiliate marketing, I'm not manually, with a notepad and pen trying to keep track of everyone. They just get instantly added to my email list. And what happens is, and by the way, in a second, I'm gonna share with you a free email autoresponder and funnel creation software. That's right, a free software you can use that will literally allow you to create these funnels and follow-up emails, which is gonna be the real secret to converting these people even while we're sleeping. And you're gonna be able to do that for free, okay? So be sure you stick with me in a second. But what happens is when they get added to our email list, we're gonna have pre-written emails already set that go out about one per day, okay? So, the first day they opt in to our email list, they're gonna get an email. The second day, they're gonna get another email. The third day, at least 12 emails is recommended. I recommend you do at least 12 of these, what we call follow-up emails, okay? Because what happens is, like I said, most people will not buy right away, but through multiple exposures, okay, it's been said in marketing that if you can get people to see a product or offer, okay, think about this. If you can just get people to see something, an offer, a program that you're promoting 7 to 12 times, they're almost 90% likely to actually purchase, okay? So all you're really trying to do with these emails is just get people to go back to the sales page over and over again, okay? So these emails will have links going back to this sales page. And over time, you're gonna convert way more into buyers and they will actually make you those commissions. So when you saw I made that $900 sale, that person did not buy right away. They went through my email follow-up series and eventually they went to the sales page and they made a purchase, okay? This is the profit pulling funnel. Now, there's actually another funnel, and I'm gonna share with you again that free software in just a second. There's another funnel though that's a little bit more advanced, and if you are wanting to make even more conversions, I highly recommend you deploy this funnel. Now, if you just wanna get started, all you have to do is have some basic capture page, giving away something for free, and a secret hack that most gurus will not share with you is the free guide or the free video that you can give away can just be the video that's the sales page, right? The sales video can be your free video. So you could actually have a headline on a capture page that says, free video, let's say you're in the health and wellness niche. You could have a headline that says, free video reveals the shocking way that, people from around the world are losing 5 pounds in 10 days, okay? And then when they put their email in, they get taken to the sales page, and the sales video is basically gonna be talking about that thing, right? The how to lose 5 pounds in 10 days. And so you can frame the free video as the sales video. So when they watch that sales video, they'll buy. Now, what is the way to make this even better, okay? Now this is, like I said, slightly more advanced, but this is going to be adding in this page here, okay? This is called the bridge page. Now, I've used this. I actually, if you go to the link directly below, you will see I have a bridge page, okay? I have a page. Now, what this is designed to do is bridge the gap between the capture page and the sales page. So this page right here, okay, is going to bridge, so it increases conversions. It basically warms up the prospects that are going to go to the sales page, okay? Now, what do we want on this bridge page? To make it very simple, we typically want a video. Now, a lot of marketers call this a bridge video, and this can be a simple embedded YouTube video. And it's basically just you or someone else inside of that affiliate program or that have used the product sharing a story. Okay, facts tell, stories sell. So inside of this video, you're basically just sharing a quick story. My video, over the years that I've used typically is anywhere from 1 minute to about 3 minutes long. And it's just sharing my story. Hey, I discovered this program recently and I love it because XYZ. And then we just have a link or a button under that video that's going to now link people to the sales video and the sales page. Okay. Like I said, it's slightly more advanced because you need to actually create a video yourself and you put it between the capture page and the sales page. And again, all of this is pretty much the same, but you will notice slightly higher conversions because people will come to relate to you if you're the one in the video, and they're going to feel more likely to decide to buy. Okay. This funnel works a little bit better. That's why I wanted to share it. Now, how do you actually set this up for free? What's the secret software, right? There's a software called System.io. Now, I'll include a link directly below in the description if you want to actually create your free account. And like I said, it's actually free, okay? You don't even have to put in a credit card. You just enter your email address to create your free account. And you can see right here, okay, the free plan allows you up to 2,000 contacts, okay? And there's unlimited emails that you can actually send. So you can create funnels as well. You can see right here on the free plan, okay, you can create up to 3 sales funnels. So if you want to test the different funnels that I talked about, the basic one, if you want to start there, and then you can actually create the more advanced with the bridge page, you get 3 free sales funnels, okay? And you can send unlimited emails. And then, like I said, you get up to 2,000 email leads, okay? Leads and email addresses that you can have inside of your account before you have to pay anything. This is actually what I use is System.io. I used to use other things. Now I use System.io. And you can see right here, this is my account under the tab sales funnels here. Okay. I have these different funnels. Now I actually do have a paid plan because it gives me, more funnels. But you can see that I actually use this and I highly recommend it. Now, if you don't want to actually create your own funnel, there will be a link directly below where you can, with that blueprint, actually share with you how to swipe and deploy a done-for-you funnel. If you don't want to actually create it yourself, I do want to share with you that option. Last but not least, and I'm going to get more into this in future videos, this is how to actually get people going to your capture page. I have a lot more videos coming as well as I've shot before on how to generate traffic. But just as a very simple overview, you want to create content to generate clicks. Now you can do paid advertising, but if you want to keep this free or if you want to do it as simple as possible, creating content is one of the fastest ways to generate clicks to your capture page. And these are the 3 simple steps, which I will dive in more videos. Okay, so be sure to subscribe. But basically, number 1 is pick one main social media platform. A lot of people go wrong with this when they want to create content to generate clicks or traffic. You want to pick one. Okay, master one. Once you start getting traction with one, now you can spread out, but focus on one main social media platform. It does not matter which one, they all work. Pick the one you enjoy the most, whether that's TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, etc. You want to post text, okay, pictures and or videos sharing valuable insights in your niche. So this is what we call content. So content is basically either text post, pictures, videos. It's going to depend on the social media platform here. So, TikTok is going to be obviously more videos. Facebook could be text or photos, sometimes videos as well. Pinterest is going to be more photos, obviously, etc., etc. Okay, so based on this platform, choose the type of content and then share valuable insights. Okay, this could be tips, strategies, mindset hacks, motivation, things to avoid. Okay, so if you're in the health and fitness niche, you could create a simple TikTok video and you could say, here's my top 5 things to avoid when it comes to losing weight. And you're just going to share valuable insights. Okay, this is going to use the principle of reciprocation, which I touched on my last video on how to compel people to buy from you. We want to give value. We want to induce reciprocation. When we give, they're going to feel compelled to give back in the form of buying our products. And last but not least, at the end of your content pieces, you're going to tell people to either comment, message you, or go to your link to learn more. Okay, now these are different strategies. If you're on Facebook, sometimes you can tell people in your post, hey, you know, here's 5 shocking ways to lose weight fast. You give the 5, and then at the very end, you give a call to action. You tell people, hey, if you want to learn more about my ways to lose weight, comment yes below, okay? Or message me for more information. Or if you're on TikTok, you could in the video at the end say, you know, hey, you know, that's my video. If you want to learn more, go to the link in my bio. And I say here, this is very important. The link that you're sending people to is always your capture page link. It's always the link to your capture page because you always want to be collecting leads and building your email list, okay? This is the formula. I hope you enjoyed learning. Again, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna be sharing a lot more. And if you want that done for you funnel, as well as my blueprint, click the link directly below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video.